Now we can study the Pilla Roga. What is a Pilla Roga? उत्क्लिष्टाः कफपित्तास्र निजयोद्धाः मुगुणगः पक्ष्मोपरोधः शुष्काक्षिपाकः ऊयालसो बिसः पोतकी आम्लोषिता अल्पाख्या स्यन्द मन्द विना अनिलात् एते अष्टादश पिल्लाख्य दीर्घकालानुबन्धिनः. So these are the 18 diseases mentioned as the Pillakhya Roga, and these persists for a long time. So let's see. So, Edi Ashtadasha Pillakya, according to Acharya Vagbhata, 18 diseases are designated as Pillakya Roga or Pilla Roga. Pillakya Dirgha Kalanu Bandhinaha. Pillakya Rogas or Pilla Rogas persist for a long time. So, why the name Pilla? Means Dirgha Kalanu Bandhinaha. This persists for a long time. The term Pilla means lusterless, dull, clouded, or dirty. So these are the 18 Pillakya or Pilla Roga. So 4 Utklishta except Vada. So when you see there are no Vada Rogas here, and here 4 Utklishta, Kapodklishta, Pitta Utklishta, Rakta Utklishta, Sannipada Utklishta, Mugunaga, Pakshmoparodha, Bodhaki, Bisa Vartma. So all these 8 come under Vartma Roga. Then Sandhi Roga Puyalasa. Then Shushkakshipaga, Alpashobha, Amloshida, 3 Avishanda, again except Vada, 3 Adhimanda except Vada. All these are Sarvaksiroga. So together all these 18 is called as the Pillakya Roga. Pilla Roga Chikitsa. Chikitsa Pradat Edesham Swamukta Adha Vakshandi. The treatment for each of these Pilla Roga have been described in the respective chapter. So Sandhi Roga, we can see that chapter. Sarvakshi we are finding in this. Okay, so like that, each treatment we can find in respective chapter. Pilli Bodeshu Samanya Ada Pillakya Roginaha. Now the general treatment for all Pilla Roga will be described here. So we are going to talk about the general treatment. Snigdasya Chardidavadaha Siravyada Hridasrajaha Viriktasya Cha Vartmanu Nirliged Avishuddhidaha. So the patient of the Pilla Roga, Snigdasya, the first thing we do is lubrication, Snigdasya. Then Chardidava, that is, the patient is made to vomit. Siravyada Hridasrajaha. How we remove the blood? By the cutting the vein. That is a Siravyada. Viriktasya. Then the fourth is purgation. Cha Vartmanu Nirliged Avishuddhidaha. And should be subjected to the scarification or lakana of the eyelid till it become well purified, means cleared of all exudation, etc. Then Tuttakadi Sega. So the next is Sega. Tuttakasya palam shveda marijani cha vimshadihi trishatha kanjika phalaihi pishtva tamre nidhapaye. Tutta, 1 pala, shveda maricha, shikru seeds, 20 by number. These are made into a paste with 30 pala of kanjika. And all these are kept in a copper vessel. Tamra nidhapaye. Pilla pillan kurude bahur varshotithan abhi. Tat sekena upadeha asru kandu shobhamscha nashayet. This liquid used for seka makes the Pilla Roga to become non-Pilla, though remaining for many years. So even though the Pilla Roga is Bahu Varshodita, is remaining for many years, by applying this liquid seka, this Pilla become non-Pilla. And also cures Upadeha, that is a cutting, through excess of tears, can do itching and shobha or swelling. Karanja Bijadi Yoga. Karanja Bijam Sarasam, Surasam, Sumanaha, Horagani Cha. Samkshudya Sadayed Kwadi, Ude Tatra Rasakriya Anchanam, Pilla Veshichyam, Pakshmana Cha Prarohana. Karanja Bija, Suras and buds of Sumana are boiled in water. Filter and rasakriya or thick decoction is prepared. Used as a collyrium, it is a medicine for pilla, and this help in what? Pakshmana prarohana, means the growth of the eyelashes. Rasanjanadi Anjana. Rasanjanam Sarjaraso Ridi Pushpam Manahashila Samudrafeno Levanam Khairikam Marichanicha Anjanam Madhuna Pishtam Kleda Kanduptam Uttama. So Rasanjana Sarjarasa Ridi Pushpa. So Ridi Pushpa is a brass filing. Manashila Samudrafena Levana Ghairika Maricha. All these are made into a paste and applied to ice as collyrium. So these are applied as an anjana, how it is mixed with honey and cures kleda, moistness, kandu, itchy. Use of Tagara Devadaru in Pilla Roga. Abhaya Rasabishtam, Va Tagaram Pilla Nashanam. Tagara made into a paste with decoction of Abhaya destroys the pilla. Bhavidam Bastamutrena Sasneham Devadaru Cha. So also Devadaru made as a paste with God's urine and it mixed with fat. Okay. Saindavadi Varti. Saindava Tribhala Krishna, Kaduga Shanganabhayaha, Satamra Rajaso Vartihi, Pilla Shukraka Nashini. Medicinal wick or Varti or pill prepared from Saindava Tribhala Krishna, Kaduga, Shankanabi and Tamra Raja is used as an anjana and destroy Pilla and Shukraka. Pushpa Kasi Sadi Anjana. Pushpakasis Churnova, Surasa Rasa Bhavidaha, Tamre Dashaham Tat, Pailya, Pakshma, Shada, Jit Anjana. So this is an Anjana which destroy Pilla and Pakshma Shada. Powder of Pushpakasisa, soaked in the fresh juice of Surasa, pasted on a copper plate for 10 days. Is used as the Anjana. Aladi Anjana. Alam cha savviragam anjanam chatabhyam samam tamra rajaha susukshma. Pilleshu romani nishevido asau churnaha karodi eka Śālākya abhi. Ala or haritala and savviranjana, each one part, tamra raja copper filing equal to both. These are mixed and converted into very nice or fine powder. This applied to the eyes makes for growth of the hair in Pilla Roga by one application itself. Lakshadi Varti. Laksha Nirgundi Branga, Darvi Rasena Sreshtam, Karpasam Bhavitaha Sapta Kridavaha. Sreshtam Karpasam. Good cotton is soaked in juice of Laksha, Nirgundi, Branga, and Darvi. For how many times? 7 times. Sapta Kridavaha. This is made into a wig or Varti. Deebaha Prajwalyaha Sarpisha Tat Samudha Sreshta Pillanam Robhanarte Mashi Sa. So this Varti is soaked in ghee. And this is lighted as a burning lamp and the soot emanating from it is collected. This is applied as an anjana. It is best to heal the Pilla Roga. Lekhana in Pilla Roga. Vartmava Lekham Bahu Shastavat Shonida Mokshanam. Punaha Punarvirekam cha Nityam Aschodana Anjanam Navanam Dhumapanam cha Pilla Rogadaro Bachit. The patient of the Pilla Roga should undergo Vartmava Lekhana or scraping of the eyelid, Bahu Shastat Shonida Mokshana, bloodletting many times, Punaha Virekam, purgation therapy again and again. Nityam Aschodana, bathing the eye. Daily we have to do the Aschodana, Anjanam, application of eye salve, Navanam, nasal and medication, also Dhumapanam, inhalation of the medicinal fume daily. Daha karma in Puyalasa. So they have mentioned a special Daha karma in Puyalasa. Puyalase tu ashante ande dahaha sukshma Śālākya. If Puyalasa does not subside, it should be cauterized or burnt with thick metal rod. Sukshma Śālākya. Enumeration of the irises. Chadurnavadi Rityakshano Hetu Lakshanam Asadhanaihi Parasparam Asankirnaha Karyena Gadida Gada. Thus were described 94 diseases of the eyes, along with their cause, characteristic feature, and treatment, not mixed together, each one separately and detailed. So they have mentioned all the 94 diseases of the eyes. Now, grains food activities beneficial for eye. First, we have Sarvada cha Nisheveda Swasto Abhinayana Priya. Person who are fond of their eyes, though healthy, should always adhere to follow. First, we have to go through the Dhanya. Puranayava Godoma, Shali Shashtika Kodravan, Mudgadin Kaba Pitagnan, Bhuri Sarpihi Paripludan. So grains such as Yava, Godoma, Shali, Shashtika, Godrava, Mudga, etc., which are all. That is a Purana Yava, Purana Godoma, etc. And also Kaba Pittakna, which mitigate the Kaba and Pitta, Bhuri Sarpihi, mixed with more of ghee, is beneficial for eye. Shagam chaiva vidam mamsam chankanam dhadimam siddham saindavam tribalam draksham vari pane chanabasam. Vegetable and meats of animals of desert, that is a chankala mamsam, and having similar property, also dhadima, siddha, saindava, tribala, draksha, vari pane chanabasam for drinking rainwater. Now activity. Adapatram, Padatranam, Vidivat Dosha Shodhanam. Use of umbrella, Adapatram, Padatranam, footwear, and the resorting to therapy to eliminate the dosha in proper ways. Now what to avoid for well-being of the eye health? Varchayet Vega Samrodham, Ajirnam, Adyashanani cha, Krodashoga Divaswapna Ratri Jagarana Adhavan, Vidahi Vishtamba Garam Yache Ahara Beshacha. He should avoid Vega Samrodha, suppression of urges, Anna, indigestion, Adyashana, overeating, Krodha, anger, Shoga, grief. Divaswapna, sleeping during day, Ratri Jagarana, keeping awake at night, Adava, exposure to sunlight. Also, Vidahi Vishtambagara Yacheha Ahara Veshacham. Foods and medicine which cause Daha, heartburn, Vishtamba, constipation also should be avoided. Relationship between Pada and Drishti. Dvipada Madhye Prudu Sannivesho Shire Khade Te Bahuda Chanetre. In the center of the two feet, sole of the feet, we can see two sira, which are greatly connected to eye. Tamara Kshanod Vartana Lebanadin. Udvartana Lebanadin. Pada Prayukta Na Nayane Nayandi. These transmit the medicine, effect of the medicine applied over the feet in form of bathing, udvartana, then massage, external application, lebana, etc. So, whatever we do on the leg, that effect of the medicine is transmitted to eyes through the serum. Mala Ushanya, Sangatana, Pidanadhyaihi, Ta, Dushyante, Nayanani, Dushtaha. So these veins exit of the feet vitiated by the accumulation of mala as salt. Sankatana, squeezing, Pidanadi, bring about abnormality of eyes also. Bhajet sada drishtihidani tasmad ubhanat abhyanchana dhavanani. So hence every person should always make use of ubhana, footwear, abhyanchana, massaging of the oil of the feet, dhavana, washing them well. Idi Sri Vaidyapadi Simhagupta Sunu Srimad Vagbhata Virajidayam Ashtanga Hridaya Samhidayam Shashte Uttarasthane Sarvaksiroga Pratishedha Nama Shodasho Adhyaya. So thus ends the chapter Sarvaksiroga Pratishedha, the 16th in the Uttarasthana of Ashtanga Hridaya Samhita, composed by Srimad Vagbhata, son of Sri Vaidyapadi Simhagupta. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment for more updates. If you want any other chapter, also you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.